Welcome to the video. We are going to solve merge two sorted linked list in reverse order. So in the question, we are given two linked list in increasing order of length n and m. We have to merge these linked list and return the result in decreasing order. So after merging them, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, but we have to return result in decreasing order, which is 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, for example 1, we have linked list of length 4 and 3. They are initially sorted in increasing order. After merging them, it will be 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 40. But we have to return in, reverse order, descending order. So it will be 40, 20, 15, 10, 5, 3, 2. See, 40, 20, 15, 10, 5, 3, 2. So we can always use uh, pointers and everything in linked list. But what will I do is I will create a list, empty list. I will append all the elements of the linked list, both the linked list one by one. Then I will reverse it, and then I will recreate a linked list. So this method will be a much easier method. So I will create an empty list. I will create a variable that will hold h1. Initially, I will do for h1. Now there is an element. Now there is an element in h1. Light dot append for data. Okay. Now similarly for h2, while x light dot append x dot data. And one thing more, I forgot to reverse it to the next element. I plus equal to 1 or x equal to x dot next in this case. Cool. Now after we have filled our linked list, filled our list with all the linked list elements, I will check if still it is empty or not. If still it is empty, it means there were no elements in both the linked list. So I will just return none over here because we have nothing to return. Cool. Now similarly, I will just sort it. As I said, I will just append these linked list element into the list, and if there are elements, I will sort it in descending order. Okay, reverse equal true. I just sorted it descending order, and now the only thing that remains is I will recreate the linked list using these list elements and will return them. Okay, yes. So now I will just create a result variable. It will hold the linked list for the first element. So we'll create a linked list with just the first element of the list, and again a variable x which we were using. It will hold this result variable. Now for I in range, we'll create the linked list for remaining of the list elements. Okay. Now temp will hold mode I ith element, and x dot next. This x dot next will be temp. Swapping them, and x equal to x dot next. What I'm doing. Yes. Okay. Now just return it, and let me check once again if everything is correct. Seems to, yeah, it does the job in pretty less time. See, so this is easier method than using pointers and all. I will just reiterate. I just created an empty list and filled with all the linked list elements, initially with h1, then second linked list. Then I just sorted it in the reverse order if there are elements in linked list. Rest, after that, I'll just you know recreate the linked list using the list elements. Initially, I created for the first element because they are sorted in decreasing order, and then again for the remaining elements by appending to the already created linked list node. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.